Market sentiment has been deteriorated by fears of the coronavirus, a jump in the number of initial jobless claims and weak corporate earnings reports from Apple and Amazon. The UK stock indexes fell sharply. Meanwhile, most of the European trading floors are closed today for a public holiday. What's more, many US stocks opened in the red. The US dollar index is also trading in the negative territory. Despite the fact that the US stocks closed out April with the best monthly gains since 1987, the outlook for the future is not so bright. Investors are tired of negative news. For this reason, they are refraining from active trading. The US stock market needs more positive market-moving events to resume growth. Yet, it's unlikely that in the short time, there will be some. For now, disappointing earnings reports and macroeconomic statistics continue to weigh on the market sentiment. Futures of major US indexes dived down after Donald Trump declared that the novel coronavirus originated at the Wuhan Institute of Virology. This is exactly where the outbreak began. Trump also threatened China with new tariffs due to the coronavirus crisis. It appears the trade war that has kept the global markets on their toes for almost 2 years may start again. However, investors are now more focused on the coronavirus news. The US stocks are trading in the red. Dow Jones futures have lost about 1.5% in the early evening session. Experts at Bank of America think that bears will soon regain the upper hand. Versus the greenback, the yuan sank by 1% amid Trump's sharpened rhetoric against China. The euro asserted strength against the US dollar, rising to a 2-week high on news that the ECB would make loans to banks even cheaper. The American currency is in a subdued state today. The US dollar index continues to fall below the mark of 99. The US dollar is not actively traded on Friday due to the May holidays in a number of European countries. Besides, traders have evaluated possible implications of today's manufacturing PMI release. This data reflects the negative impact that the lockdown measures have had on the US economy. According to the Institute for Supply Management, the index went down to 41.5 points in April from 49.5 in March. Reuters reports that analysts expected the index to fall to as low as 36.9 points. The Canadian dollar has eased against its American counterpart, and the USD card pair has approached the level of 1.40. Oil prices have been fluctuating sharply today. West Texas Intermediate crude gained more than 2% in the evening session. As a result, US oil futures for June were trading at almost $20 per barrel. However, the rise in crude prices may be interrupted at any time as the energy market remains highly volatile. Brent oil was also extending gains later in the session, although at a much slower pace. In May, Brent crude is expected to trade in the range between $21 and $34 per barrel. This price range might not seem so wide if compared to the one in April, when oil was trading up and down between $16 and $36 a barrel. This week, Bitcoin managed to break through the level of $9,000, but later retreated to $8,500. Today, it continues to trade in the range between $8,650 and $8,850. Notably, the market capitalization returned to the previous volumes last seen in early March. This means that Bitcoin has managed to win back the losses it posted on March 12-13. If the cryptocurrency settles above the level of 8,800 during the New York session, it has a good chance of tasting the mark of $9,400. Otherwise, it will stay trading in the range of $8,500 8,500 and 8,800. On Thursday, Bitcoin grew by 17–18% on improved risk appetite as investors treated the number of first cryptocurrency as a risk asset along with the currencies of emerging markets. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation, subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest events. See you on Monday.